Name, Fitbit Sense 2 Advanced Health and Fitness Smartwatch with tools to manage stress and sleep. ECG app, Spot 2, 24/7 heart rate and GPS shadow gray/graphite, one size, Sanel bands included. Now come to about the product. Brand Fitbit. Model name, Fitbit Sense 2. Style, modern. Color shadow gray/graphite. Screen size, 1.69 inches. Special feature activity tracker. Stress tracking, sleep monitor, ECG heart rate monitor, GPS notifications, phone call, text messaging, Bluetooth activity tracker, stress tracking, sleep monitor, ECG heart rate monitor, GPS notifications, phone call, text messaging, Bluetooth. Shape, heart. Target audience, unisex, adult. Age range, description, adult. Compatible devices, smartphone. More about this item. Learn to manage stress, sleep better and live healthier with Sense 2, our most advanced health and fitness smartwatch. Human interface input, touchscreen. Manage stress and live healthier all-day stress detection with SIDA and daily stress management score. ECG app for atrial fibrillation assessment. 1. Irregular heart rhythm notifications. 2. Spot 2. 3. Health metrics dashboard. 4. Mindfulness content. Measure and improve sleep quality. Personalized sleep profile. 5. Daily sleep stages and sleep score. Smart wake alarm and do not disturb mode. Enhance activity, built-in GPS and workout intensity map. Daily readiness score. 5. Active zone minutes. All-day activity tracking and 24/7 heart rate, 40+ exercise modes and automatic exercise tracking, water resistant to 50 meters. Designed for all-day wear on wrist, Bluetooth calls, texts, and phone notifications. 6. Customizable clock faces, Fitbit Pay. 7. Amazon Alexa built-in. 8. Google Wallet and Maps, Google Maps on Android only. Coming spring 2023 to iOS. 6+ day battery. 9. Includes a 6-month premium membership complete with personalized insights, advanced analytics, and more. New and returning premium users only. Must activate trial within 60 days of device activation. Content and features may change.